Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a trailer in Project Zomboid. First, find a trailer in a suitable vehicle. Trailers spawn in the world and look like separate cargo trailers. And good towing vehicles are usually trucks or cars with decent power. Next, back your vehicle up to the trailer so the rear hitch area of your car or truck is very close to the front hitch of the trailer. You want them nearly touching, but with enough space to stand between them. Once aligned, walk to the back of your vehicle near the trailer and press V to open the vehicle radial menu. In that menu, you'll see an attach option with a plus icon like attach trailer. Select this option to connect the trailer to your vehicle. Your character will perform a quick animation and the trailer will snap onto the hitch. After it's attached, get in the driver's seat and gently drive forward a bit to confirm the connection. You'll notice the trailer following behind. If you don't see the attach option, try adjusting your position slightly. Trailers must be very close and properly aligned for the menu option to appear. To detach later, stop in a safe place. Stand between the trailer and vehicle again, press V and choose the detach or minus option from the radial menu. And that's how you attach a trailer in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.